Helder Juju live live. Excuse. How are you? Thanks for
Bro, what?
joining to the
What's going on, guys? It's your boy fencergg, live, jive.
Where are you?
Bro,
Live.
this guy's a legend. This guy's a legend. Guys, we're gonna be doing,
I love you.
dude,
Thanks
ciders
for-
off the bat. I kind of want to double down this, but no, I can't. But 19's not that strong. All right, we're gonna stay in this. I gotta hit this over here, guys. We're gonna be recording a blackjack live session, okay? I play a lot of, that's a bust. I play a lot of first-person blackjack. Oh God, come on, high card.
Wish you good luck for the next time.
I play a lot of first-person blackjack, okay? I do, and you guys always tell me, like, dude, you can't be playing this first-person blackjack shit. You can't be playing it. It's rigged. But, you know, I love it, dude. I love the speed of it. Sorry, Pepper wants up. I love this. Okay, hold on a second. This is looking a little more rigged than first-person here. I just love the speed of it, man. I love the speed of it. But we got an empty table here, so I'm going to take advantage of it. We're going to get some hands in. I might even go to 3 hands if we lose this, man. That's a bust. We need an 8 or a 9 here. That's an 8. Okay, that's nice. Give me this win. Give me this dub. Give me this dub.
10 can hidden card and 12 is here.
Yo, this dealer's hilarious, dude.
One more additional card, too many.
Nice. Okay, that's a dub. That's a dub. We'll take it, bro. This dealer is absolutely hilarious, dude. But I've been extremely lucky on blackjack this week, dude. Extremely lucky. So I've been feeling like playing. Dude, wait a second. We got an 11 here. We have a 14 over here.
Two parties here.
It's versus 12. I'm gonna stay in the 14, man. I'm sorry, Pepper. Oh, okay, 20. That's not bad. Okay. That's awkward. Yes. That's a bust. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Okay, my recording fucked up here. All right, we're gonna stay in the 15. We got a 12 over here. I kind of want to hit the 12, but it's just no. I'm gonna stand it. Dealer 14. I'm not playing with the chart right now, so I could have played that wrong. High card. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Bounce up to 1661. We need some ciders. We need some doubles, and we're golden, man. We need some ciders and doubles, please. Oh my goodness. Oh, come on. Yo, I'll take the 20 though. I'll take the 20. This is kind of awkward though. Like I want to double this because he has a 6, but it's also kind of like I can fuck myself over, kind of. Should we double it? I'm gonna double it, dude. I feel like that's kind of safe. He's like, bruh. Oh, 17 versus 16, man. All right. Either way, we win this, so it kind of nullifies the double. Give me a high card here, buddy. Yes, dude. Holy shit. Nick, you legend, bro. You legend. We could go up to 3 hands. Nick, I love you, bro. Okay, hold on. I might hate him.
I love you, bro. Oh, thank you for your
I might actually hate him. Give me a second here. I might hate him, dude. Wait, he gave us a 19. That's not bad, dude. Hi, sweetie. Coconut won it up. I can't resist a beautiful coconut. All right, 16 versus 10. It's a brutal hand, but you gotta hit him, man. You're supposed to hit him by the book. Busted him. That's okay.
Can hidden card 15.
Yo, give me a high card. Oh, he beat us. Oh, okay. Let's up the bet a little bit. Let's up the bet, dude. I'm feeling it. Let's go here.
Excuse me. Betting time at this moment. Place your bet, please.
This guy's a legend, dude.
Good luck. Let's start the game.
Nice.
My dear, jack off.
Look at.
Clubs you got and stand on 20. Straight to the side bet.
Bro, what?
12 you got hit. 14.
He's just calling me a jack off, bro. Yo,
What about?
what is this guy doing? Oh, shit, dude. This guy is not only a comedian, but he's giving us some really good hands, man. We'll take it. My dear, dude, he's cool. This guy's a legend. Something about a jack.
Good luck.
18, that's not bad. I probably shouldn't have hit that 13, man. I wasn't really paying attention.
Scan hidden card 5.
He definitely knows he fucked up. Yes. Oh, okay, we pushed it.
Congratulations to you.
Bro, this is actually such a heater, man. This is actually such a heater. We should... I don't know what to do, man.
I am.
Okay. We'll take it, dude. He keeps giving us a 20. He makes up for the bad hand. Every time.
2, aim.
That was close though. He's gonna push it. Oh,
One more card and
nice, nice. Wow, we actually won. He's making up for the bad hand every time, bro. Yo, this guy's getting us a double here.
Good, my dear. Good. Which country? Double down. Wow, my dear.
Oh shit, let's go, dude.
Perfect double. Hit on 15 and it is 16.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm gonna stand the 16. I know it's a 19. You assume it's a 19. Oh my god, 10, 10, 10. Oh, bro, this is such a heater. This is actually such a heater, bro.
Double down. Successful 4-time winning.
Dude, this guy's literally a legend. I'm so glad this is an empty table too. Yo, 10, 10. Oh, oh, pair. We got a pair. I like pairs. Shout out to all pairs and shit. This is an awkward hand. I'm doubling it, bro. We hit the cider.
Call. Double down.
Oh shit, dude. Let's go, dude, man. This is such a heater, bro.
10 hitting. Cards.
Please.
14.
Okay, hold on. He's got an ace. Stop playing with me. 10.
Too many. Congratulations to you.
Balance at 3,000. Okay, dude, look at that. He always makes up for it. He's a good guy. I'm standing the 14. He's a good guy, dude. He always makes up for it. Okay, high card. Oh, that's an interesting card. All right, we're going one hand. We're going for it. Come on, bro. Perfect pair trips. No. That's not bad. That's actually not bad. Give me a low card here. Give me 2-3. 2-3, 10 ace. 2-3, 10 ace.
12.
Oh!
Blackjack table.
12 versus 6. I gotta stand this, I think, bro. All right, either way, we're picking up our hand after this, bro. Please bust. No!
For the next time.
Guys, we're gonna call it there, man. What a session. But other people are sitting down at the table now. We're gonna call it there, bro. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked the video, please leave a like. Dude, leave a like for Nick, man. This guy was a legend. Thank you so much for whopping. Dude, I gotta go, man. Please drop a sub if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys later.